Hey guys, working on a 2017 VW Beetle, and we're going to be changing our cabin filter. Let's get started. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to come under here. There are two of these little turnstiles, little plastic little rivets. That's one. That's two. And we're going to pull down on this. Good. And that exposes our door right here. There is a tab here that we're gonna push in and slide out, and like that, this is ready to drop out. Looks like we're gonna have a little bit of dirt here. Oh wow. Oh yeah, she's dirty. Holy cow. Oh man. This is a lot of dirt. Shit. Gotta be gentle here. Oof. She's not gonna be happy about that. Alright. So just gonna show you guys. Kind of give you a better visual. There's a tab that you're gonna push in, and then it unhooks with these. This is our old part, and this bad boy is dirty. Eesh. Our new part, very nice. Okay, so this is weird. Even though it says the airflow is supposed to go this way, that's a lie. Airflow is coming in this way. So this is actually correct. Airflow goes this way, because if you know, this is clean, meaning the air's not coming. Air's coming in like this, so it sits in like this. Airflow comes in like that. Alright, let's put it in. Okay, remember, curved side goes up in there like this, and gently feed her up like that. That's perfect. Has the little claw hooks in it. Now I'm gonna get this here like so. And there we go. And she's locked in place. If you pull on her, she won't move. And that is properly secured. Let's get these. Let's get the cover back in here. Tuck it up, and just like that, she's in. Let's get our rivets, and I'm just gonna turn these. That's locked, and that's locked, and just like that, we're all done. Thanks for watching, you guys. Till next time, out. Bye.